Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to get past the error when trying to convert a basic disk to a dynamic disk where it tells you there is not enough free space on the drive to do so. Alright, so I have this 100 gig drive here. If I check out the properties, you can see it has 99.6 gigabytes free, so it's almost empty, but there are a few files on it here, like so. So watch what happens if I try to convert it to a dynamic disk by right-clicking on it, choosing Convert to Dynamic Disk. Make sure you pick the correct disk number. So this is disk 1 that matches this one. Click OK. All right, so this is saying it will convert it. Click on Convert. And then you get the typical warning when you try to convert a basic disk to a dynamic disk. So you just have to click on Yes. Now it says there is not enough space available on the disk to complete this operation. And it does it again. So the reason for this is that the disk needs at least 1 megabyte of unallocated space. So if this is using the whole thing and there's nothing unallocated, then you could run into that problem. And many times, even though disk management shows that it's all in use, there will still be some unallocated space. It just doesn't seem to show it for some reason. But if you use a different type of disk management tool like Nayubi, for example, it will show you the unallocated space. So fortunately, it's easy to fix. All you need to do is right-click on your volume here, shrink the volume. We're going to shrink it just 1 megabyte because that's all we need. Click on Shrink. Now it looks exactly the same. So now if we right-click, Convert, go through the same process, you can see that the conversion was successful. All right, so once again, just right-click on your volume, shrink. Under the section that says Enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes, change that to 1, click on Shrink, and then you should be able to do the conversion. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.